This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
This is one of the many races I've been looking forward to today. Why? Because there's 4 Aotearoa teams in this one race and they're all staying pretty much in the same hotel. How do you go from being mete or friends to frenemies, or enemies on the water and friends on land? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. And we have a green flag out there. It is race 447 Master Woman. It is the second semi of 2. Lane 1, Aotearoa, ngā hoihoro, hashtag horo. Lane 2, Canada, FGPC Pure Stroke. Lane 3, Aotearoa, Mana Pacifica, Manatai. And lane 4, Aotearoa, Mitimitanga, Team Honu. And lane 5 from Aotearoa, Te Aurere, Matawera. And lane 6 to wrap it up with a Hawaiian touch. It is Hawaii to Hui Nalu from Hawaii. Hawaii ne o aloha kakahiaka. Looking down to the middle, actually, let me go all the way down to the far end at this moment. Hashtag horo down the far end. Funny little angles with our camera shots, but on the big shot, there we go. Hashtag horo all the way from ngā hoihoro in the far north of New Zealand. But down the middle, in the middle, from the middle of Whangarei, Terenga Prawa. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, some goody goods up there. I could see the tension, could see the everything shins this morning when everyone was gearing up and locking in for their race plans. Coming out of that race, though, Team Honu down the middle, slight lead at the front, but it's the battle of Aotearoa. It is this corner versus that corner, and my mete that sleeps in that room of the same hotel. That is where it's at the moment. Oh, good morning, little cutie patooties. Sorry, back to the race. Out there, down the middle, and our fastest qualifiers. Down the middle, who are you? You are Team Honu from Mitimatanga Ole Pacifica Va'a Alo Canoe Club, one of the first canoe clubs in Aotearoa. They are neck and neck with our other team from Horo, Ngā Hoi Horo, also in there. Oh, hang on, please hold, caller. Please hold, caller, because down there in lane 3, Mana Pacifica, Mana Tai, they are up in there as well. It's quite the blanket as all of these wahine go in for their second turn. Horo. Hashtag Horo angling in first. Then there was Mana Tai. Then there was Team Honu. Who's going to push out first? I don't know. Maybe down there in lane number 1. You're okay, little cuties. Hi, good morning. There's the little kura moving past. Good morning, sweet thing. Anyway, back down to the sweet things happening on the course. Oh, how beautiful distraction, wasn't it? Down the middle, just ever so slightly, Team Honu, Mana Tai, and down the far end, hashtag Horo, also hot on their heels is Te Aurere, Matawera, and what a hot faces they'll be seeing out there as well. These ladies are going down for their third and final turn. Actually, stroking that Waka and Team Honu is one of the champs 4v1s. Hello, Mandy Hutton. And all of these wahine actually have, you know, if I could say all of their names, I should. But I don't have a list right now. But you know who they are. Down there, battling it out for their first place. It is Team... Oh, hang on. Let me see this angling. Oh, I can't even tell. Hashtag Horo, Mana Tai, Team Honu, Te Aurere. Oh, goodness me. You're going to make it hard. You're making it hard. Oh, look at that bit of a... Just the front there. Mana Tai ever so slightly. Anything can happen. Oh, literally. Quite literally, as these three teams have been battling it out at the front. Hashtag Horo, Mana Tai, Team Honu. These ladies, they are a component mixture of champions from here, there, everywhere, from Wiwi, from Wawa, literally from Te Heku o Te Ika, from the very, very tip, all the way to Te Waiponamu, all the way to the end of New Zealand. It's quite literally an Aotearoa battle out there. Who's going to kick in the last push down from this angle on the TV? Mana Tai out there leading the pack. Stroked by Karina Gage out there. Holy kamali. Sorry, I was just enjoying the beauty of this racing out there. Here we go with not long to go. The push at the end. Mana Tai in lane number 3 from Mana Pacifica. Ooh! I'm going to go unofficially out there in lane number 1. Ngā Hoi Horo, hashtag Horo. And on their inside, Team Honu from Mitimatanga, Te Aurere, Matawera, Hui Nalu, two Hui Nalu down here in front of us, and wrapping it up, the second semi of 2, Master 60 women, race 447, out there, Canada FGPC Pure Stroke. Woo! And they're away. It is race 448 on the water. Master 60 men. 1,000 meters is the distance. And this is the first semi of 2. In lane 1 from Australia, Ronan Gold, Gold Coast OCC. In lane 2, Tahiti Rotere. In lane 3, Australia, Team Tommy, Port Hacking OCC. Lane 4, Tahiti, Tamari'i, Taravao. Lane 5, USA, Team Cal. And lane 6, Canada, Triple C's, all the C's, get degrees. Polar Vortex. That is who is in this race at the moment. And leading this race at the moment is lane number 3. Have a guess who they are. Team Tommy? Yep, you're correct. As we watch these gentlemen in their first turn of 3. Oh, what even was that coming out of there? That's crazy. 3 and 4, even 6 in it to win it. These gentlemen are 60 years young, plus a little bit of GST. Depends on what country you're in. As they amplify out there, Tamari'i Taravao, lane 4. Lane 3, Team Tommy, Port Hacking. See if they can hack at this race and get them a spot in the finals. Can hear the screaming down the front here. I mean, the encouragement down the front here. And that's what we want to hear. They want, I don't know if they want to hear it, but they need to hear it so that they get that little oomph in there. Today's reaction or action is oomph. Or word is oomph. Lane number 3, Australia. Sneaking back to the front there. Lane 2, Tahiti. Lane 4, Tahiti. Ooh, wrong flag, mete. But they're bringing it around. Don't you worry, they'll be back. Lane 3 out there, going, gone. Team Tommy, Tamari'i next to them. Down the far end in lane 1, Ronan Gold. And lane 5 also in it, Team Cal. Oh, actually not on screen. There's also, though, CCC, Polar Express from Canada. Ooh, Tommy. Team Tommy. I want to know who Tommy is. Who's Tommy, team? Is he significant to you? I don't know. But down there as they head down to their third and final turn, in T Tommy we have Chris Berry, David Bennett, how many Davids do you need? Kakahi, Lee Howley, Matthew Spies, and Pete Williams. I'm going to find everyone's team names and I will try my best. Looking down as they are negotiating into that third and final turn from Australia, Tommy, Team Tommy, Port Hacking. Hot on their tails down there in lane 4, Tahiti, Tamari'i Taravao. As they are starting to cruise on home and the effort just goes 1,000%. As they are coming home. No one wants anyone to win but themselves. I don't know if that made sense, but it made sense in my head. Down there leading these gentlemen is our fastest qualifiers. Down the middle, lane 3, Australia, Team Tommy, Port Hacking. Next to them, Tahiti, Tamari'i, Taravao. The stroke has changed. Oh, but look at the smoothness out there on the water. No bobbing out there. Team Tommy, Port Hacking. They might be hacking at this race, but boy, look at the smoothness at the same time. Tamari'i Taravao trying to kick in now to catch them. But can they do it? Not with that many. Too short of a time to kick it in now. But it is down there in lane 3, Australia, Team Tommy, Port Hacking, lane 4, Tamari'i Taravao. Ooh! I don't know if that was 5 or 1 actually. But anywho, that is race 448 Master 60 Men 1,000 meters semi 1 of 2. Talking about semis, we have another semi out on the water with a red and black flag because everyone wants to run it straight. That's not rugby, so back it up. Back it up. And here we go. It is race 449 out on the water. Master 60 Men, semi 2 of 2. In lane 1 from Australia, Sunset Coast Golden Master Men. Lane 2 from Aotearoa, Ruamata Waikuta. In lane 3, Hawaii, Fōlani Kai. Lane 4 from Aotearoa, Ngā Hoihoro Pautama. Lane 5 from Hawaii, One Helani. And lane 6, wrapping it up in the semi, it is Germany, Va'a Alliance, Mayhem, Prenzlau. How low can you go? How low can you go? Let's get it on the water. Let's get it gone. Out there in lane 3, Fōlani Kai leading the charge. Excusez-moi. Lane 5 out there, Helani from Hawaii and Pautama from Ngā Hoihoro. The negotiating the complexities of these turns